contribute a translation to the MakeCode editor, click on the settings or cogwheel at the top of the editor and choose language. Then from the bottom of the select language screen, you can choose to translate the editor. You need to register with the crowd-in service if you haven't done already in order to translate the editor. And once you've done so, you can click on Translate. And that will take you to the in-context editor. Every string or word that can be translated has a red border around it, and strings that have been translated but unapproved have a blue border. Strings that have been translated and approved by a proofreader have a green border. To edit a string, click the pencil icon next to the box in order to open the edit window. You'll see the current translation, automatic or machine translation suggestions, and how the string has been translated into other languages. I'm going to choose the automatic translation here, which will save it and take me on to the next string in context. To edit the blocks, right-click on a block and choose Translate this block, and that will take you into a MakeCode window with the string in it. Clicking on the string there will take you into the Edit window where you can again choose your translation. In the case of a translation that's given you a different case, I can click on Autofix and then click on Save. This can then be verified by a proofreader. Some elements of the blocks cannot be translated. So for example, if I use a button block, there's a variable called name within that button block that shouldn't be translated. And you can see if I add that in there, I need to keep that variable within the translation field. The context menu lists all available strings and also allows you to switch language. So I can change into another language, and I can see here what has been translated and approved, as these have the green box around them.